Hello everyone, this is lesson number 85 and let's start a new chapter. First one, 军事 military affairs, military things, right? 军事 His father is a famous military expert. 他的父亲 so his father 是一位著名的军事专家 expert 著名 famous 著名的军事 military expert 他的父亲是一位著名的军事专家 This novel mainly describes ancient military wars. 这本小说 this novel 主要 mainly 描写了 to describe to depict portray picture 描写了古代的军事战争古代 ancient 军事 military 战争 wars 战争 also this word we will learn in this lesson 战争 this is few lessons 这本major for books 这本小说主要描写了古代的军事战争军事战争 war 战争 Next one 敌人 enemy 敌人 opponent winner Facing a powerful enemy, he performed very bravely. 面对强大的敌人，面对 to face，面对强大的敌人，他表现 he performed or he demonstrated or behave. You can show I think behave and perform. 表现的非常勇敢 very brave. 表现的非常勇敢。面对强大的敌人，他表现得非常勇敢。To protect his family, he started a fierce battle with the enemy. 他为了保护家人 so in order to protect, 为了保护家人 his family, 他和敌人展开了激烈的战斗。激烈的战斗 fierce battle 战斗 is like battle 和敌人 with enemy 展开了 to start 展开 to start to begin some war expand investigate so it has a lot of meanings but now he just to start to launch 他为了保护家人和敌人展开了激烈的战斗 Next one 理论 theory 理论论 is to talk 理 I think it's some talk to principle principle 理论 theory This professor's theory has sparked widespread discussion in academia 这位教授的理论教授 professor his theory 在学术界 in a 学术界 in a academia 学术界 academic world because 学术 it's academic science scholarly intellectual scientific right learning 学术界引起了a caused you can say or has sparkled attract raise arise 哇 sparkled 什么意思 I mean cause something to start or happen this one spark inspire stimulate someone or something 引起了广泛的讨论 very widespread discussion 广泛的讨论这位教授的理论在学术界引起了广泛的讨论。yeah. Next one, only by combining theory and practice can one achieve true success. 只有将理论 so only 只有将 you can say to take 让是理论 to take 把理论 to take this theory 和实践 with reality 不是 with practice 实践 practice handle empirical 实践相结合 to combine 相结合 combination combine with each other to integrate with one another 相结合结合 to combine 相 to each other 相结合才能 and only in that case 取得 to get to achieve 真正的成功 a real success true success 真正的成功只有将理论和实践相结合才能取得真正的成功next one 作战 to fight to do battle 作战this general participated in countless battles throughout his life. So actually, 作战 also could be battle, operation, warfare combined. 这位将军 so this general 将军 is also we will learn. 这位将军一生 so his whole life 一生参加 participate 或参加过 participated 无数次作战无数not 数 count so uncountable or countless 无数次 times 无数次作战 warfare battles 这位将军一生参加过无数次作战They are studying a new battle plan to fight the enemy 他们正在研究 so they study the research 正在研究新的作战方案plan program scheme and scenario project for battle to do battle 作战方案 battle plan 来 in order to 对抗敌人 enemy 对抗 to fight to combat first fight again oppose or also you can say confront 对抗他们正在研究新的作战方案来对抗敌人Next one 毛病 shortcoming or weakness 毛病 This product has a small flaw but it doesn't affect its use 毛病 shortcoming 病 it's like some illness sick some bad condition 毛病这个产品有个小毛病 so this product has a small flaw has a small shortcoming defect or weakness in an object or material imperfection defect in a legal document 有个小毛病但是吧不影响 not affect 使用 usage affect its use 影响对 affect 这个产品有个小毛病但是不影响使用 not affect its use 不影响使用He's always late, which is a major weakness of his. 他总是迟到 He always late. 总是迟到这是他的一个大毛病 So this is his big weakness. 这是他的一个大毛病 Big weaknesses. Major weakness. 他总是迟到这是他的一个大毛病Next one 道理 Truth or reason or you can say point, sense, reason, truth. So it could be different. Let's see. What he said makes a lot of sense, and we all agree. 他说的话很有道理 So makes a lot of sense, or you can say has a lot of truth or reason. 很有道理 has a lot of sense. 很有道理我们都同意 and we all agree. 他说的话很有道理我们都同意 Even a small child should understand some basic truth. 其实是小孩子，其实 works together with 也 even something. 其实小孩子 even small child small kids 也要懂 also need to understand 一些基本的道理 some basic truths basic truths as a truth so basic understanding basic principle also can say 基本的道理其实是小孩子也要懂一些基本的道理。Next one 迟早 sooner or later 不迟 you know 迟到的迟 to be late 早 it's 早上好的早earlier 迟早 usually works as a adverb I think that right so at some point sooner or later you will have to get rid of this bad habit sooner or later 这种不好的习惯 so this type of not this type of bad habit 不好的习惯你迟早有sooner or later 要改掉 you need to remove it 改 is to change 掉 it's to throw it so change or get rid of something 改掉这种不好的习惯你迟早要改掉 He is so hardworking. He will succeed sooner or later. 他这么努力，迟早会成功的。So he is such a hardworking. 这么努力，迟早，sooner or later 会成功 will succeed. 他这么努力，迟早会成功的 will succeed. Sooner or later. Next one 军队 army or troops 军队 Every year many young people join the army 每年都有很多年轻人 a lot of young people 年轻人加入军队 join the army 加入军队加入 to join something to participate in something I would say to add party exit join I think join membership 每年都有很多年轻人加入军队。The discipline of this army is very strict. Discipline 怎么读 ？discipline 这军队 so this 这也可以 say major word for army 这指军队 army 军队的纪律discipline 纪律非常严格 very strict discipline military discipline usually for military 每个学校都有严格的纪律纪律松弛 discipline strict 纪律严格违反纪律中央纪律检查委员会这支军队的纪律非常严格 very strict Next one pi to dispatch to assign pi The company sent him abroad on a business trip 公司派他 so he dispatched him or assigned him to give him some job sent to mission 派他去国外 to go abroad 出差 for business trip 出差 to go on a business duty of action assignment 公司派他去国外出差 This task is very important, so we must assign an experienced person to it. 这项任务 so this task 很重要 very important. 我们得 so we should 派一个有经验的人去 so we should assign experienced person 人 this person and which one 有经验 they have experienced 有经验的人 to go to it to it 这项任务很重要我们得 we have to 我们必须我们需要派一个有经验的人去经验的人 experienced person and last one raw weak his body is very weak and he often gets sick 他的身体很弱 so his body is very weak 很弱经常生病 often gets sick 经常生病生病 to get sick to ill to fall ill 他的身体很弱经常生病他的身体很弱经常生病the weak should receive protection and help 弱者 这 is like person so weak person or just weak underdog weakling weakness victim weak victim we should not laugh at weak 我们不可以嘲笑弱者嘲笑 to laugh at someone 嘲笑别人嘲笑朋友beloved 受到嘲笑弱者应该 should 得到 to get 保护和帮助 protection and help 保护和帮助弱者应该得到保护和帮助保护 is to protect but also protection could be let's repeat what we learned today 军事 military affairs military things as you saw military war armed military 敌人 enemy 理论 theory 作战 to fight but it also could be just warfare as fighting combat also could be 毛病 shortcoming weakness 道理 truth or reason 迟早 sooner or later 军队 army troops 派 to dispatch to assign someone on some job and raw weak or weekly will soft sometimes also and we have I think 2 idioms today right 不是 last time we learned 跋山涉水知道什么别出心裁别出心裁不可同日而语不可同日而语 and the first of in the our today is to be self-evident it's pretty I think we saw it quite a few times 不言自明 no talk but self-explaining 不言自明 self-evident obvious self-explanatory speak for themselves this idiom is used for something that is so obvious that it doesn't need to be explained or stated. It's similar to 不言而语 also the same meaning 不言而语 needless to say go without saying 不言 to say the self mean clear obvious 说明的明 This question is very simple. The answer is self-evident. 这个问题很简单 So this question is very simple. 很简单答案不言自明 The answer is self-evident. 答案不言自明这个问题很简单答案不言自明 So you need to say 不言自明 So this is pretty easy I think 不言自明 an adjective usually So see you in the next one